Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the conservatory lock. So this is the lock and the key broken, so I'm going to take it off and change this so that I can use a new key. The key is stuck inside, so I'm going to show you how you can take it off, take the whole part off and buy a new one. Let's get started. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver and open the door. You just need to locate which screw is holding onto that. So most likely it's this one. So I'm going to remove that screw. Now this part should come off now. There you go. It's come off now. Now if you go on to B&M or somewhere that sell key parts, you can buy from there. You can take this one and show the exercise, or you can order online as well. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.